Hey, I'm Demi Lovato, and I'm answering the Buzzworthy blog questions. So first off, we've got Kalina, and her question is, hey Demi, your new album is out. Which song is the song that means the most to you? I think the song that means the most to me is a song called Can't Stop the World. This next question is from Acrass16. Demi, right after you write a song, whose opinion do you trust the most to tell you if it's good or not? I don't really ask a lot of people around other than my managers, but if I know that I like a song and I think that it's good, then I will fight for it, and I won't care what other people think. Disney Twilighter asks, hey Demi, I'm a big fan. What can you tell us about the music in Camp Rock 2? I think the music in Camp Rock 2 is like a little bit more musical than the last movie, but it's definitely rock, and it's still got a lot of the same Camp Rock flair to it. Diona asks, hey Demi, I'm Diona from Arizona. I look up to you for a lot of things, and I know you had to face some bullying when you attended school. I'm having some hard time dealing with my self-confidence, so how do you deal with your self-esteem and making yourself feel more confident about yourself inside and out? Thank you, I can't wait to see you in concert. I think it's a matter of focusing on all the positive energy rather than like focusing on all the haters or whatever and turning all of that into motivation, and just to focus on what you love and what makes you happy and not worry about what other people think. Lisa Castelli asks, hi Demi, I'm Lisa from Belgium. Do you feel a certain pressure knowing that you're a role model for a lot of people? Yeah, I think there's definitely pressure. I'd be lying if I said that there wasn't, but I think that it's an honor more than anything. And I know when I got myself into all of this that I would definitely be a role model, and so I just want to do the best that I can for the people that watch me every day or support me. Amber Be Different says, hello there, Demi. I'm Amber from Michigan. I was wondering if you could change anything in history, whether it be in your own life or someone else's. What would you change and why? It could even be before you were born. Thanks. That's a really good question. I've never been asked that before. I would probably have to think on that one. I don't know. That's a really good question. I think yeah, I don't have an answer for that. Tori Story asks, hey Demi, I'm Tori from West Virginia. I really wanted to know if you had the chance to be on any reality show in history, which one would it be and why? I would probably want to be on American Idol just because it was a dream of mine when I was younger. And I don't know, I think it'd be cool to say that I was on American Idol. Live to Party 92 says, hey Demi, my name is Alyssa from Illinois. My question is, do you think you'll ever come out with a clothing line? Maybe. Maybe hopefully soon, actually. You never know. Becca Salazar asks, what do you do when you've had a rough day and everything just seems to not be going right? I put in music and I listen to songs that really match the mood that I'm in, and it really takes my mind off of it. And honestly, I don't know how I get through life without music. I'm alive because of music. Joelle equals music, skate and sleep, smiley face, asks, Demi, are you single, and if so, are you waiting for the right guy or just not ready for a relationship? Yeah, I'm single, and I guess I'm just not ready for a relationship. Demi Selena Lovato Gomez, 75, asks, did you or do you have a crush on the Jonas Brothers? And if you do, which one? No, I don't, and I never have. They're really great guys. They're just not my type. Morgan asks, what is one thing that your fans don't know about you? I can stick my tongue to my nose. Allison the Amazing says, Demi, what are your favorite stores to shop at? My favorite stores to shop at, I don't really have favorite stores, but I like going to Urban Outfitters. They have a lot of really great stuff. Tootsie Pop 24 says, hey Demi, my name is Rachel and I'm a huge fan. My question is, how do you keep up with your schedule and everything and still have time for family and friends? You make time, definitely, because you make time for people who are important to you, and otherwise you go crazy from working all the time. Allie B23 says, hey Demi, I'm Allie. My question is, one thing that you could not live without on the road. I think that I couldn't live without my laptop. I'm completely addicted to my laptop and my BlackBerry and just technology. Valentina X3 says, hey Demi, I was just wondering, what was the best concert you've ever been to? Who was performing and who made it so awesome? Valentina from Florida. I think that the best concert that I ever went to was probably Kelly Clarkson, and she was just so down to earth, and you could totally feel stage presence when she was on stage. She just was such a rock star, and I think that was the best concert I've ever been to. Hey guys, thanks for all the questions. Be sure to check out my new album coming out July 21st called Here We Go Again.